I just started a new document. What we're going to do is we're going to download the first worksheet into the Canvas. So I'm going to click on that little, actually I need to find the worksheet first. So I'm going to go to this first worksheet and there is a link that says click here. I'm going to open that link. It's going to take me to a Google Drive folder and I'm going to look for the first worksheet, which is the color wheel worksheet. Okay, it looks something like this. If it's black, you're fine. It's still there. We just need to make sure we download it. So I hit the three dots. I'm going to send a copy and then I'm going to hit save image. That should be in my photo album. So I'm going to now import that into Fresco. I'm going to click Fresco app and I'm going to click the little icon that looks like a photo and I'm going to click photos and I'm going to click on the worksheet that I just downloaded. I'm going to make it nice and large and I can always zoom out so I can see my whole canvas so that fills the page. Once it does, I'm going to hit done. So here's my layer palette. You could see I have my worksheet on one layer. I'm going to create a new layer and work on top of that worksheet. And I'm going to answer these questions. So what are the three primary colors? That is red, yellow, and blue. What are the three secondary colors? We have the secondary colors when you mix the two primary colors together. And then the tertiary colors are the colors in between the secondary and primary colors. So let's start filling this out. What are my three primary colors? I'm going to start with my three primary colors. If I click the second brush, that is the live water brush, you can use this to fill out, or you can use this other one to fill out the worksheet. With the live brush, you can actually color mix, which is kind of neat. So I'm going to click on the water brush and I'm going to, I right now have oil. I'm going to try watercolor and I'm going to use watercolor round. And then over here, I can change the size. So you can see, you can make it larger or smaller. Okay. Get nice and large. There we go. And if it's not perfectly in this circle, that is fine. Over here is the color. So I could click on that and find my colors. I'm going to start with my color blue. And I'm going to fill that first circle. Then I'm going to find my color yellow, fill it in the other circle, and you can see I have these blue triangle lines and identifying what question I'm talking about. You can refer to the video too. I need now red. Refer to the video too, and on the other slide, that works as well. So now I have my three primary colors in that triangle on the color wheel. Then I'm gonna have my three secondary colors. Three secondary colors are when you mix the primary colors together. And let's fill this out really quick. Drop the size. You got red, yellow, and blue. So let's go back to my watercolor brush and now I'm going to do the secondary colors. Secondary colors are the triangle and purple. So if I took my blue and yellow, I'm gonna start with blue, and I fill it in that circle, and then I place my color yellow on top of it. You can see I get this green color, okay? Now I have my yellow and red, so I'm gonna take my color yellow, find my color red, and I got orange. Then I'm gonna take red and blue. Obviously, if I make it more saturated, it might be a little bit more vibrant, because see I have purple. So I'm adding a little bit more blue slowly, and you can see it becomes a deeper purple, okay? Now, with my purple and, so that's my secondary colors. My tertiary colors are the colors in between my primary and secondary, okay? So I could take my orange color and place it in that square. Again, it's a little out of the box, but that's okay. And then I can take my red color. And now you could see I have this red orange. And then I'll do the same thing with my orange yellow. I think it works best if you place your secondary color and then you add your primary, but you can try either way. And now I have my yellow orange. Again, keep on going around the wheel. But you can see how your color wheel, the colors are placed in a specific way, which helps you mix colors to create other colors. Okay, so finish that up, and when you're done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit this top icon and hit publish and export, export as, and then title it your last name worksheet 1. And then you could do a JPEG, hit export, and then save image. Then you're gonna go back to the slideshow and place it into the folder. Let me know if you have any questions.